Hello, this is Dave, and what we're doing here, we're trying to reproduce the Victrola experiment using more modern equipment. This is a Gerard Model 301 turntable. There's nothing particularly special about it. Underneath the pickup here is a piece of Velcro, and it's actually loose underneath this. The stylus is just sitting on top of it, kind of a sandwich effect. And we'll turn on the turntable and make a brief recording. See if we can reproduce the voices we get with using the Victrola. Here we go. Do you have any messages for us today, please? And there it's run to the end. Thank you for testing with us today. Goodbye.